Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hello, I'm Kyla and I make makeup videos. Today I'm doing Gratis episode 25? 26? I think this is 26. Not 100% sure. This makeup look, minus the lips, is the ColourPop haul that I recently did. I thought that I filmed this Gratis video already, however, I don't know what happened to the footage, so I'm filming it again. I saw it all this up, so why not? Anyway, so I'm going to film this Gratis video. My base is looking a little bit like textured, so I'm not quite sure what's going on. I think it's the foundation. I haven't used this one in a while. The ColourPop Pretty Fresh Foundation, not the Scented Moisturizer, the foundation. So work with me here. But let's go ahead and jump in. I have two kind of like bags to go through. So the first one is the bigger one. This is a sponge. It's pretty squishy. It's got like some indents in it, but I'm not sure if it was just like pressed. Something was pressed into it or whatever. This sponge, don't know what brand it is. I guess we could look it up. It's the original makeup eraser sponge. So it's pretty squishy considering. Yeah, and it has this little case that you can put in so it doesn't get crushed, which is kind of cool. But yeah, so that's pretty neat. It retails for $18. Then I have this Milk Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. I don't know if I'm going to use this because the primer breaks me out terribly. And I don't know what's in the primer that makes me break out, so. But let's just see. I like this spray. Hopefully this doesn't break me out awfully. That retails for $36. That's expensive. And then we have this Sephora collection Salicylic Acid Clarifying Lotion. I think it's a spot treatment. I don't see this on their website. Oh, yes, I do. It's $16. This would be interesting to try. I wonder what else is in it. Ooh, orange and lemon. Nope, we won't be trying that. Not at all. This I actually know that I really like. It's the Tango eye cream from Drunk Elephant. I used to use this all the time when we got it in Gratis before, and it was awesome. It retails for $64. It's a phenomenal eye cream. I can use vitamin C around my eye. That's the only place, which is really bizarre. My face is starting to itch, so I hope that Milk product doesn't break me out. But this is really good for dark circles. It's bomb. And then we got this Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. This is massive with avocado. It's almost a fluid ounce. This is half a fluid ounce. So, let's see. This retails for $50. Wow. I am excited to try this because anything that's creamy just is right up my alley. Then I got the Kombucha Cleansing Treatment from Fresh, which would be pretty interesting. Mine is the mini, I believe. Well, they don't sell the mini. So the full size is 6.7. This is a 2.5. So we're up to $86.50 for this Gratis. Oh no, I didn't add the Kiehls. We're up to $136.50. And then I got this Clean Duo. It came in this box and I opened it. So the retails for $20 for this. It's the Solar Bloom in the Rain. I think I have Solar Bloom. I have Radiant Nectar and something else. I think it's the Solar Bloom. That smells wickedly good. I was not expecting that. And then the Rain is a classic. Also really good. Wow, I really like this. Okay, so that's it for the first round of Gratis. And then I have 4 other products that I got as well. I got the Rare Beauty Blush. I wanted the orange one, but I got this one. It's pretty dark. It's It's very creamy. Not exactly my shade. I like more warm tone blushes. You might make it work. I don't typically go for pink blushes, but we'll try. Make no promises. Then I got this. This is the Balm in the Nearly Neutral. Oh wait, the Rare Beauty blush. That blended out really nice. 21. Then I got the Rare Beauty Balm. They're 18. Mine is in the shade Nearly Neutral. It's the lip balm. Let's put it on. It's got more brown to it than I thought, and it's like glossier than I thought. It's a little bit streaky, but the texture is very glidey. I kind of dig it though. Kind of dig it. And then I got this little mini Sweet Biome fermented sake spray from Drunk Elephant. I love Drunk Elephant, but if I remember correctly, this has vitamin C in it. The full size is 3.3 ounces or 100 mils for $42. This is definitely a mini. Beetroot. I think beetroot had vitamin C. Let's see. It does have vitamin C. So new. 15 out of 100 is like 6-ish. 6 point something. So we'll go with $7 for that little bottle. And then this is another thing I'm not going to use because it's vitamin C right on the top. It's the Biossance Squalane plus vitamin C dark spot serum. You know, I can't use vitamin C. I love bubble wrap. I really want not Biossance. I really want Rare Beauty to come out with a cream bronzer. But yeah, this is the Biossance Squalane serum. Cannot use it. We'll see how much it's worth. $62. So $264.50 is what we are looking at. So I'm always really grateful for all the Gratis that I get. I'm pretty excited about these. I'm kind of surprised. Like, that smells wickedly good. I was not prepared. They both smell really good. I'm also more excited for the Rare Beauty than I thought I was going to be. And the eye creams. Oh, hopefully that smudge is good though. So, yes. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see this look, check out my ColourPop little tutorial haul try-on thing that I just did. And yeah, that is it. Check out my Instagram. It's at makeupmysmile. Yeah. Okay. I will catch you guys in my next video. Alright. Bye.